Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Use brush controls to modify a graduated filter or radial filter in Lightroom Classic CC. To do this, first apply either a graduated filter or radial filter effect to a photo in the Develop module. Then select the Brush option at the top of the tool drawer next to the words New and Edit. After selecting the Brush option, select the appropriate tool from the Brush section of the tool drawer. To add more adjustments to the photo, use brush A or B. These two brushes function the same way, adding changes to the selected photo. To remove adjustments made by the filter, select the Erase brush. You can modify the Erase brush just like you modify other brushes by using the Size, Feather, Flow, and Density sliders. Refer to the lesson titled Applying Adjustment Brush or Filter Effects earlier in this chapter for more information about customizing brush tools. The Erase brush is very helpful when you want to remove only a small part of the effect created by a filter tool. Once you select the appropriate brush, begin clicking within the image to paint adjustments onto specific parts of the photo just as you would normally do with the adjustment brush. Keep in mind that you can check or uncheck the Show Selected Mask Overlay checkbox in the toolbar to see the area affected by your changes. You can also toggle the Turn On/Off filter switch at the bottom left of the tool drawer to keep track of adjustments as you apply them. When you achieve the look you want, simply click the Done button in the toolbar to preserve your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.